farmer go to the forest who cut wood. As he was cutting, slipped the river water. God disappeared. Why are you crying, woodcutter? My axe slipped the river water. Went to the water. The silver axe. This is your axe, woodcutter. No, no, no. Went to the water. The golden axe. This is the axe, woodcutter. No, no, no. Went to the water.